Okay, guys. So now you guys know this already. Proper fractions, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Proper fractions means numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is small, denominator is big. Improper fractions means numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is big and denominator is small. Okay, remember this. These both remember. Pause the video, study the definitions. Proper fractions, numerator small, denominator big. Improper fractions, numerator big, denominator small. Okay, please pause the video and please remember this definitions. Okay, write these definitions down and please remember these definitions. Great, thank you. Now we are going to learn how to change this proper fraction and improper fraction into decimals. First we'll start with the first one, proper fraction. Okay, converting proper fraction into decimals. Proper fractions, we know denominator is small and numerator is small and denominator is big, right? Great. So in this you can see that numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, this one, note this down. Numerator small, denominator big. Okay, so here you have to remember this one most important point. The answer always lies between 0 and 1. It will not go above 1. Okay, so the answer will be in between 0.1 or 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. It will not go beyond 1. Okay, great. Now let's take an example. 1 by 2. So we know that 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 2 and numerator is always inside. So numerator enga irukano ulla irukano, denominator velila irukum. This is how the fraction is to be written. So here 1 should be inside and 2 is outside. Great. Now as 1 is smaller than 2, I cannot divide it. So what I'll do, I'll put a decimal. 0 point. After I put a decimal, I can put a 0 here. Great. 5 is a 10, 0. Finish. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Super. Now let's take another example. 1 by 4. So we know that 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 divided by 4. And 1 should be inside and 4 should be outside. Numerator should be inside, denominator should be outside. So I'll put 1 inside and I'll write 4 outside. As 1 is smaller than 4, I can put a decimal and I can put a 0 here. So I'll write 2s are 8 and 2 here, and I'll put another 0. Once decimal 1, I can put how many of zeros you want. Again I'll put 5s are 20, 0. So the answer is 0.25. 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. Okay. Now we'll do this one more example. Okay. So guys, pause the video and write this down. Please pause the video and write this down. Okay guys, the next example is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3. Same, 1 divided by 3. What will be inside? 1 will be inside. What will be outside? 3 will be outside. Great. So now I'm going to put a decimal here because 1 is less than 3. I'll put 0. Okay. Now I'll put a 3 here. Awesome. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 will come, 0 I put. So again 3s are 9. Again 1 only is a reminder. So again I'll put a 0. You can put 0 how many times ever you want. Okay, again I'll put 3. Again 9, 1 will come, 0 I'll put. Again I'll put a 3, again 9. So this will go on forever. The one that is 3 one that. So the answer is actually 0.3333333 goes on forever. But so you can just put 2 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to 0.33. You can stop it there. Okay. So this is the answer. So this is how a proper fraction you should do. So here and all you saw that the answer is restricted in between 0 and 1. It will not cross 1. Okay. So 0.5 is in between 0 and 1. 0.33 is between 0 and 1. Okay. So the answer will not cross 1. Okay. It will be between 0 and 1. Great. So this is about proper fraction. Let's talk about improper fraction. How to change improper fraction into decimals. Okay. Now, for example, 5 by 2 is an improper fraction. Same concept. 5 divided by 2 pannano. Okay. And then what will be, numerator will be inside as usual. And denominator will be outside. Great. So now what you'll do, what I'll do is, so 2 2s are 4. I'll do normal division. Oh shit, 1 vandirchu. Reminder 1 vandirchu. Now what I'll do, I'll put a decimal here. Before you put 0 point decimal, because starting laye you had to add 0. But here, after some time you are adding 0. So now I'll put point, I'll put a 0, and then I'll put a 5, 10, 0. Finish. So the answer is 2.5. This is how you will do. Okay. Now we'll see 2 by 2. This is also an improper fraction. We know the answer is 1. Now 4 by 2. Now what you will do, 4 is inside, 2 is outside. 2 2s are 4, 0. So 4 by 2 answer is 2. Right? You can also put 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So answer is 2. Okay? This is how you do it. I'll give another example for improper fractions. Let's take a bigger example. For example, 10 by 3 I took. Okay? So 10 is inside, 3 is outside. Okay? 3 3s are 9. So 1. So now I want the 0. So I'll put a point, 0. Again 3. Okay? So then 9. Again 1. So again 3. Once point is there, you can put how many zeros ever you want. So it goes on forever. So 10 by 3 ka answer 3.3333. So it's nothing but normal division. Okay. So all you have to remember is, for proper fraction, the answer will be always between 0 and 1. The answer will start from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, appadi irukkum. But for an improper fraction, okay, the answer will be more than 1. So 1.5, 1.6, 2.7, 2.3, 10.6, appadi irukkum. More than 1 க்கு இருக்கும். அவ்வளவுதான். So you'll be doing normal division. Okay guys, the first video is about this. Great.